Welcome to ZPro Studio.
Artificial intelligence is evolving rapidly, but so are the rules governing it. Governments around the world are introducing new AI regulations that affect how businesses build, deploy, and manage AI systems. If your company uses AI for customer service, hiring, marketing, finance, or software development, these changes could directly impact your operations. In this video, we'll cover the biggest AI governance news for 2026 and explain what your business should do to stay prepared. Why AI governance is making headlines. Over the past few years, AI has moved from experimental projects to business-critical systems. As AI takes on larger roles in decision-making, governments and regulators are increasing their focus on areas such as transparency, fairness, privacy, security, accountability. The goal is simple: encourage innovation while reducing risks associated with AI. For businesses, AI governance is no longer just a legal concern, it has become part of everyday risk management. Major AI governance developments in 2026. One of the biggest developments is the continued implementation of the EU AI Act, which introduces requirements for organizations using high-risk AI systems. Businesses may need to assess AI risks before deployment, maintain technical documentation, monitor AI performance, provide greater transparency for AI-generated content, strengthen human oversight where required. Outside Europe, many countries are also expanding their AI governance frameworks. Although regulations differ by region, the overall direction is clear. Organizations are expected to use AI responsibly and demonstrate how they manage AI-related risks. What this means for businesses. Whether you're a startup or a large enterprise, strong AI governance can reduce legal, operational, and reputational risks. Businesses should focus on 4 priorities. First, create an inventory of all AI systems used across the organization. Second, classify AI systems based on their level of risk and business impact. Third, establish clear governance policies that define responsibilities, oversight, and compliance processes. Finally, continuously monitor AI systems to ensure they remain secure, accurate, and aligned with evolving regulations. Organizations that prepare early are more likely to build customer trust and adapt quickly as new rules emerge. Key trends to watch. Looking ahead, several trends are expected to shape AI governance. Increased regulatory enforcement, stronger transparency requirements, greater emphasis on responsible AI development, more board-level oversight of AI strategy and risk, growing adoption of international AI governance frameworks. These trends show that AI governance is becoming a core business function rather than just a compliance requirement. Conclusion. AI governance is one of the most important technology topics of 2026. Organizations that invest in responsible AI practices today will be better positioned to manage risks, meet regulatory expectations, and earn long-term customer trust. If your business is expanding its use of AI, now is the time to review your governance strategy and prepare for the evolving regulatory landscape. For a deeper dive into the latest AI governance updates, check out the full article link in the description.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to ZPro Studio for more tech tutorials, AI tips, and digital marketing insights. See you in the next video.